Have you ever wanted to build a web automation script, only to get bogged down by complex browser setups, heavy Python dependencies, and immediate blocks from web application firewalls? Traditionally, developers had to write hundreds of lines of fragile Selenium or Playwright code. What if your automation agent could live directly inside the browser window itself? Introducing Page Agent, a lightweight, client-side, graphical user interface agent. Created by developers at Alibaba under the GitHub handle Gaomeng1900, this project has exploded in popularity, amassing over 23,000 stars on GitHub. It represents a complete paradigm shift, running entirely in-page as pure, serverless JavaScript. Standard browser automation pipelines run on remote servers or external node processes, which are easily fingerprinted and blocked by security filters. Page Agent shifts this entirely, running directly in the client browser. By doing this, it utilizes the user's native residential connection and automatically inherits session cookies and login states, bypassing data center IP blocks and security firewalls completely. How does it work under the hood? It does not use screenshots or expensive multimodal vision models that consume heavy bandwidth. Instead, it extracts the live DOM, compiles it into a simplified FlatDomTree structure, dehydrates it into a clean text outline, and feeds it to the LLM. The LLM acts as an action planner, returning indexed commands that the agent executes. Under the hood in the TypeScript codebase, the main Page Agent class inherits from Page Agent core. When initialized, it spins up a page controller for low-level DOM operations and a panel that renders the in-page graphical UI overlay. The page controller manages action execution, using native browser events to simulate human clicks and key presses deterministically. Programmatic integration is simple. You install Page Agent via npm, construct an agent pointing to an OpenAI-compatible endpoint like QN, and execute natural language tasks like clicking the login button or filling forms. Developers can fully customize options such as the API endpoint, model type, language, and maximum steps. By living in the web page, Page Agent unlocks three primary use cases: serving as an in-product SaaS AI copilot to assist users, converting tedious 20-click workflows into a single sentence, and enabling voice commands for web accessibility. Users can let the AI guide them through onboarding or execute tasks on their behalf, showing visual outlines on the page. While the core library runs headlessly, the project includes a browser extension built on React and WXT for multi-page tasks. It also features a Model Context Protocol, or MCP server, allowing external agent systems to control the browser Page Agent. The extension uses Router for routing and communicates with content scripts to coordinate actions across multiple tabs. Licensed under the MIT license, Page Agent represents a major step forward in zero-overhead web automation. The community is actively expanding integrations, and you can get involved by opening pull requests on GitHub. You can test it today using their free demo CDN script tag or explore the modular codebase on GitHub.